apple so red and round. B is for bees that buzz all around. C is for cats that purr on the ground. A, B, C, come sing with me. 1, 2, 3, it's easy, you'll see. A big adventure from A to Z. D is for ducks that swim in the lake. E is for elephants stomping awake. F is for frogs that hop, then take a break. Let's explore the jungle trail. G for giraffes and their long tails. H for hippos who wiggle